Tim's Chips Hawaiian Teriyaki. Tim's Restaurante Tortilla Chips Restaurant Style. Tim's Chips Cotija White Chile. Tim's Chips Sabor. Tim's Chips Limon con Salsa. Tim's Chips Creamy Cucumber. Tim's Chips Alder Smoked Barbecue. Tim's Chips Coney Island Hot Dog. Tim's Hawaiian Original Kettle Style Potato Chips. Tim's Chips Honey Mustard. Tim's Hawaiian Mango Habanero Kettle Style Potato Chips. Tim's Chips Reduced Fat Tomato Garlic and Herb. Tim's Chips Salsa de Tamarindo. Tim's Chips Grilled Steak and Onion. Tim's Hawaiian Cracked Pepper and Sea Salt Kettle Style Potato Chips. Tim's Restaurante Tortilla Chips Crispy Browns. Tim's Chips Pepper Jack Cheese. Tim's Chips Wasabi. Tim's Chips Sea Salt All Natural Potato Chips. Tim's Unsalted All Natural Potato Chips. Tim's Chips Original Flavor. Tim's Cascade Style Cajun Chips. Tim's Chips Sour Cream and Onion. Tim's Hawaiian Sweet Maui Onion Kettle Style Potato Chips. Tim's Chips Sea Salt and Vinegar.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.